chicken in coconut milk soup and tom yum. So we have advanced little thing because our friends very open-minded and they're not scared of bone and stuff. So we have bone and skin of it for flavor. I'm so happy. Thank you so much that you bring. Because this is how I make at home too. But in general, you know, we try to do only chicken breast, no bone. This when we do at home, you know, the chicken you see we chop it up. Maybe we take lemongrass out.
I love chicken thigh. I think the best meat.
You can change, you can add, yeah? Like lemongrass, yeah. You smash it, but you didn't cut. That's why it's too long in the bowl. But when I show you, I cut in half. But you can serve without it, right? But for Thai, we serve everything together and we eat around it.
Yeah.
Right. So here's the idea. You guys bring your soup to eat.
Oh.
I am so sorry because you want to leave soon. So we're gonna continue curry. Can you cover your soup now? Is it okay for you? Are you still very hungry?